In today's video, you'll see a real transformation for a client who has had long hair for over a year. He previously did a keratin treatment months ago, and now you can clearly see the curly regrowth coming back. The length, combined with mixed textures, made the hair difficult to manage, and he decided it was time for a change. He's going for a short men's curly hairstyle that's low maintenance, practical, and easy to style for everyday life. We begin by cutting off the long length using scissors. This first step removes the excess weight and instantly changes the shape of the haircut. Once the length is removed, we move to the wash. At this stage, you can clearly see the client's natural curl pattern, especially the regrowth after the keratin treatment. Washing the hair is very important here because it reveals the true texture, density, and movement of the curls. This helps us decide how short to go and how to shape the haircut correctly. After the wash, from this point onward, the real haircut begins. I start reducing the length using a hair clipper with a comb-over technique. This method helps control the curls while keeping the haircut clean and even. It's a great technique for curly hair because it removes bulk without making the hair look flat or uneven. Next, I move into scissor work to shape and balance the haircut. This step is all about control and precision. Using scissors allows me to refine the shape, balance the length, and work with a curl pattern instead of against it. The goal here is to create a haircut that looks good naturally, without needing heavy styling. After shaping the top and sides, I focus on the details. I use a detailer to clean and sharpen the nape area. This gives the haircut a fresh, professional finish and keeps the neckline clean for longer, which is especially important for a no-maintenance style. Now it's time to bring the curls to life. I use a diffuser to dry and shape the hair, enhancing the natural curl definition while maintaining volume and movement. Diffusing is key for curly hair because it prevents frizz and helps the curls sit naturally. Once the hair is dry, I go back in with the clipper to add final details and a subtle taper on the sides. This step cleans up the haircut while keeping it soft and natural, perfect for a modern, curly men's style. To complete the look, I trim and shape the beard to match the haircut. Everything is blended together to create a clean, balanced, and masculine finish. Finally, I style the hair lightly to show the final result. The end look is a short curly hairstyle that's easy to manage, comfortable, and ideal for everyday wear. especially for someone who wants a natural look with minimal effort. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. A new video will be out soon. See you in the next one.